Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is James with Black Box Dent Repair, and today we're going to be working on a Mitsubishi Mirage. Now, this is a pretty nasty dent in this body line. It's going to be under a lot of pressure, so I'm setting up this lateral tension to pull this dent left and right to relieve some of the pressure in the middle of it. Whenever I push, I'm going to go straight for that body line, and I'm going to try to push this up, and you're going to see a nice pop because we were able to relieve so much of that pressure with just this lateral tension and some slight pushing on the body line. Here it is, right here. Nice little pop. And right here, as I move my board, you can see the lines on this reflection. They pinch together in a few spots and they open up in a few spots. Where they're pinched together, we know that metal is high. Where they open up, we know that metal is low. So we've got a decent dent underneath this body line still, and then some competing high and low metal above the body line. So I'm actually going to get in here with a tap down, and I'm going to start knocking some of that high metal back down. It's going to relieve some pressure for me so that as I try to push up these lows, there's not competing tension in the metal. When you get into repairs like this, you do a lot of back and forth between pushing your lows up and tapping your highs down. And as I was working it, I realized that this lateral tension bar, while it was helpful, was just kind of in the way of me seeing the lows underneath the body line the way that I needed to. So we decided to pull it off and finish this dent out. So we're going to take a look here at the progress that we've made so far. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good, but you can still see the high and the low above the body line and this really nasty low right underneath it. So we'll get right back into our pushing and knocking down and try to finish this thing out strong. The name of the game in this trade is patience and listening to the metal. You've got to see how the metal is responding to you. Don't rush it. Don't force it. Just work with it. If it wants to flow down as you tap, continue tapping. If you need to push it up, go ahead and push. With a little bit of patience, we can get a really great result. I mean, look at this. This door looks incredible. Customer was very excited, and we were really excited about how it turned out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.